grammar. Today we will do the exercise of determines. Before that, determiners are always placed before nouns like most adjectives. They are a group of words that determiners fix or limit meaning of a noun or noun phrase. Here, determiners are always placed before a noun and it's having a fixed or proper meaning of a noun or noun phrase. Okay, here determiners give a proper meaning of a noun or noun phrases. So today we will learn about the determinants and which kind of determinants are there in the sentence. Okay, let's learn about that. First one is articles. Articles are a, and the. These are role of determiners in sentence. Okay. Next one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective means स्ववाचक विशेषण. My, your, his, her, their, its. These all are determinants as a role of possessive adjective in the sentences. Then demonstratives. Which are the demonstrative? These, that, these and those. निर्देशक. Demonstrative means निर्देशक. सेंटेंस में हम इस तरह के डिटर्मिनेंट्स का यूज करते हैं निर्देशक को बताने के लिए. Distributive. Distributives are each and every. These both words are using as a determinants in a sentence. Interrogative. Interrogative प्रश्नसूचक शब्द. What, which, whose. These are interrogative words. Quantifiers. Quantifiers means कुछ मात्रा में बताना. Some, many, few, a lot of, one, two, all, both, first, second, next, large, any. These all words are using as a quantifiers in a role of determiners. So, there are three kinds of determinants: central determiners, predeterminers and post-determiners. We are using these kind of determiners in our sentences, okay, for frame the sentence. And we are using central determiners are used before a noun. You can see central determiner in this sentence. Which shirt did you wear? So here shirt is a noun, but which is a interrogative determiner and it is placed always before a noun. So which is a determiner and it's a central determiner. Central determiner are always placed before a noun. So which is, you can see over here, it is before a noun. Shirt is a noun, so it is before it. But which is determiner, it's a role of interrogative determiner. And then predeterminers. Predeterminers come before central determiners. Now predeterminers is always come before central determiners. So here central determiners is possessive adjective and all is come in quantifiers. It's called मात्रा में दिखाना. All your books are in the bag. Here all is central determiner and here all is central determiner and it's come before a central determiner. Okay, so all is predeterminer because it's placed before the central determiner. Okay, so you have to see over here that predeterminer is all and your is central determiner. So predeterminer always come before central determiner. So all is predeterminer. Then post determiners are always after the central determiners. Okay. post determiners always come after center determiners. So here 2 is center determiners. Sorry, the is the article and it's a center determiner. And then after comes 2. Here 2 is a quantifiers. मात्रा में बताना 2 गिन सकते हैं हम 1 2 3. So after the 2 is come and 2 is a post determiner, so it will come after the central determiners. So here 3 kinds of determiners: central determiners, predeterminers and post determiners. Central determiners are always before a noun. Predeterminers come before a central determiners, and post determiners are always used after a central determiners. You have to write these sentences and this box in your grammar book. So you have to classify the determiners, central, predeterminers or post determiners. And in our next lecture we will do the exercise of these determiners. So now you have just read at your home the determiners, classification of the determiners, and we will do the exercise in our next lecture. Thank you.